To give the top a little more interest, I added a hard line here that kind of goes this way, and then it kind of comes back up and sweeps this way. It's a little hard to see in this, but with a few more coats of finish, it will really stand out. I made a very flexible template, and I had masking tape here, and I was able to put this on and trace it out. And then I took my spoke shaves and I gradually came across and worked on this hard line that just is subtle. It's a subtle line, but it allows the top to flow a little bit more in combination with the base.